I'm giving each of you $1 million, okay? Yes. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. $1 million is a big deal. How money is made, spent, saved, and invested. That's it, right? How to make money, how to spend money, right? And some may say how to make what? Sound financial decisions, right? We all said we wanted to be rich, right? So financial literacy is essentially telling us how we can be rich. It wasn't connected. It wasn't connected. Let's just say that.
Dr. Shanah Grant's session on financial literacy is outstanding. She is able to engage her learner and provide an opportunity for them to see how they may one day become millionaires. She introduces them to the topic of financial literacy, talks about through her workbooks and experiences how they too can make it to be successful entrepreneurs. This is a session people do not want to miss.
Zara Quinn, and I would like to thank Dr. Grant for her course on financial literacy today. She taught us how to think more financially critically and be smarter with money, how to budget, save, and invest our money. And so I would really like to thank her for all that she taught us today.
Hi, I'm Dr. Shanah Grant, and today I had the lovely pleasure of speaking to the REP4 students here on campus at Fort Valley State University about building financial stability. We did quite a bit of working activities to talk about budgeting and stuff like that to set them up to be billionaires for the future. So we had a lot of fun, and we thank you, REP4, for allowing us to be a part of your program this year.